sitting next to the farm and I'm going to show you my train next. It's going to come out of the tunnel. Going at full speed ahead. I'm afraid that's how fast it goes. Let's just go slowly past the animals so we don't. And I'm sitting next to them. Let's go a bit faster. Let's go slowly against the construction site. We're going to be really slow. I didn't even know. Animals. A bit slower so we don't. Should we just do? We've just gone through the station, now the superheroes, now the tunnel, then the wagon, then the junction, and then, well, the zoo, and then that's the old caravans, and that's the sheds where the engine lives. Should we make it sort of... Bye-bye. Bye-bye.